This video I will explain how to insert, read, update and delete the data in DynamoDB using AWS console. DynamoDB is a database service provided by AWS. You can use it to store and manage the data like names, phone numbers, orders or product information. You don't need to install anything. You just need an AWS account and access to the AWS management console. Step 1 is go to the DynamoDB in AWS console. Sign into your AWS account. In the search bar, type DynamoDB and open it. If you don't have table yet, create one using Create Table button. For example, you can name your table as Students and use student ID as the partition key. Partition key is nothing but it is like a unique ID for each student. Step 2 is insert data or add new item. To insert new data into the table, open your table from the list, then click on the Explore Table Items tab, then click on the Create Item button, then you can enter the values. And here you can see the example. Then click on Create Item to save. Now you have added one record to your DynamoDB table. The record is also called item. Step 3 is read the data or view items. To read or view the data you inserted, go to the Explore Table Items section. Then you will see a list of items already in your table. Click on any item to see the full details. You can also use filters to search for specific data using the partition key. In this example, student ID is the partition key. Step 4 is update data. Go to the Explore Table Items section, then find the item you want to change, then click on the Edit button next to the item, then change any field. For example, update the name from John to Johnny, then click on Save Changes. Your item is now updated in the database. Step 5 is delete data. To delete an item, go to the Explore Table Items section. Then find the item you want to delete. Then click on Actions button, choose Delete, then confirm deletion. The selected item will be removed from your DynamoDB table. Now we will see final tips for beginners. Always use unique values for your partition key, like ID. DynamoDB automatically saves your changes. You don't need to write code. Everything can be done from the console. Start with test data if you are practicing.